Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I bought this LA125 for me to fix up and flip. The owner said that the motor's blown, so let's take a look at it. This is the way I got it. I never touched it. Just pushed it in here. And let's put the brake on here. All right, choke. I'm gonna put the gas halfway. So I'm gonna turn it over. Ooh, it don't sound too good. Definitely oil coming out of here. Look, right there. Let's just replace that and see if it see if I could stop that oil leak. Screw out here. Take the 2 bolts out of it. The voltage regulator off here. So this is chewed up pretty good there from the fan. Need to kill wire right under here. It says here, this side out. So we get it the right way. Wire. Put the magnet right there. Pull her out, put the business card here. Let her go. It's going to pull itself in automatically. And then your gap is set perfectly. No rubbing. Fan here. Dipstick in here. I'm going to put my regulator back in here. Don't forget the wire here. Don't want to go too tight. Let me strip it. I'm going to put the bolts in because I think this motor is going to start. Oh yeah. All right, with a little bit of gas in there. Okay, I'm just gonna make some noise here. Brake on. Man, that works good. I'm gonna finish up bolting the cover up here. Okay, this back in. So there's a little too much oil in here. Looks good. Alright, gonna move the deck here. It's supposed to be yellow. Let's see if I can put a coat of paint on that. Move the belt here. All done, close enough for me.
Hour later.
Alright, see this crack here, just have to weld that up. I finished welding it up there. I'm going to use Pour 15 metal prep all over the deck right now.
Minutes later.
Just finished painting there about 4 hours ago. It's all dry. Let's sand it a little smooth there so I could put a coat of yellow paint on it and make it a little smoother. Put a coat of rock guard on it.
Five minutes later.
All done. Let that dry. Alright, just degreased it there. I'm just going to put probably 3 coats. I just finished up the 3rd coat. Looks pretty good. I have a YouTube video on putting a deck back together like this. I'll post a link in the comments below. Brand new pulleys here. Hold on. All done painting. Alright. Just know that came here. same as the other side. Put the PTO cable. Put this in here. There you go. It's 2.5. I got 9 PSI in the back, 14 in the front. There should be 2-inch there. There's 2-inch there. Pretty good here too. Alright, that's it. I'll put this for sale. And I'll probably sell in a day or two. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.